Now, once that you have launched your ad, there are a few more things that you will be getting to see the campaigns. If you want to go to your ads manager or if you want to create a new campaign, you can simply come over here and you can do that. Creatives include, if you want to create a new tweet, you can simply come over here. It will help you to create a new tweet with your photo, video, or carousel, however you want to do it. And whatsoever the changes that you will do over here, you will get to see them in the right hand side and how it actually looks like, whether a image or a video carousel, whatever you want to add. The tweets that you have already done, there's a list of it which is going to be over here. The cards, multiple sections of icons. The media, which of course includes photos or videos that you have added through. Analytics we have actually already seen, wherein the tweet activity or the number of people who have engaged with your tweets or seen. Now, the ads editor, all the advertisements which have been done, audiences that I would have had targeted. For applications, if I have done any, and of course the conversion tracking in the last. So let us say that, like, for which particular campaign, what kind of a tracking code did I put across? So let us say I want to see the tracking code of this particular advertisement. I'll simply go over here and check on the code. That's pretty much about Twitter, but still about the payment section. How do you do the payment section in Twitter? About adding the payment method, when you come into the ad zone, you'll simply come into the name over here and add new payment method. You'll find your, if you want to do it for business or personal use, simply go ahead over here, select either, name the company address and everything, and then it'll ask you for the card details, and then you're done. It's pretty much about adding the funding source to your Twitter. Now over here, if you want to switch account, or if you want to, if you have received access from any other account, you can still take the access back from here. If you want to go to some other account from where you have received the access to do the advertisement. And let's see, how do we get over there? So if you want to add new source, we have only used with this. Okay, added access to account. Now over here, if you want to give access to some person else, simply enter the handle name over here, what kind of access you want to give. You can select it accordingly, and the person gets to have the access after notification. So what do you actually want to make him? You want him to, like, for the creative manager, wherein, like, the text and the images are an important part. You want to make him a partner for the audience manager, or an organic analyst, person who tracks everything related to the number of impressions happened, the retweets, comments. The campaign analyst reads the numbers again. The ad manager access creates the advertisements, or account administrator who has everything, the control over your account advertisements. That's about your Twitter.